Dude, what the fuck is that, man?
Damn.
One bag?
Well, starting it.
Yeah, but Star was like, hey, I only have 4.
The last 10.
Yeah, I agree. So I don't really like that one that much.
I love that.
I think what I don't like about it is like,
Dude,
he'll be right
I'm not
next
moving.
to him. He'll be right next to him, and then he just doesn't grab it, even though he's
Yeah.
grabbing the other people.
I have to
sometimes
buy
I'm
this,
just not-
dude. At least I got
And
enough
it's like-
to buy this.
You got just
Right.
enough. I feel like rolling a 2 is the new 1.
I guess so. I've rolled 3
Because
twos
I
in a row,
rolled
think.
several 2s.
Alright, now
Luke
I
rolled
only need
several
money. Don't
twos.
give me anything else. I literally only need money. Don't give me anything else, please. There's 3
Skeleton
fucking
key.
3 coins right in a row.
skeleton key.
Fuck you.
Oh.
Fuck you. Fuck you, dude.
Well, you can move anywhere around the map you wish.
And I gotta spend all my money, dude.
Star, stop.
Or
Item time. Oops.
Well, here's the good thing. If I don't roll high enough, I can just give up on the star because Luke has a pipe. And I can head towards the shop. I'm before the junction, so I got time to decide.
Wait, are you landing on chance time with this? Oh no, you have a 1.
no. If you roll low enough next turn, though.
Okay, fine, I'll open the gate.
Oh no, you wouldn't have even if you had that too.
But if you roll a 2, like we all have...
At least.
Is there an
Yeah.
item game award?
Maybe.
Oh, Star's favorite. I hate this one.
More double dice.
I feel like in this one, you can't land in between them like back in the day.
Maybe
Yeah,
not.
you used to be able to land in between them.
Which is extremely rude.
What the hell, Luke? It says you're playing Dolphin Emulator, bro.
Oh, I guess I've actually opened up Dolphin because on my taskbar it's near it's right next to Discord.
I opened up Dolphin Emulator when I started this recording.
So I might have placed it. Oh my god.
Yes! I'm not getting cucked.
Oh wow, I didn't
Hey,
realize how
someone
close you
who's
were.
more likely to get a star stolen than me.
Star, you LMFAO'd at my intro. I know you laughed. I don't even need to hear it. Where's Toadette Joe going? I'm just gonna call her Toadette Joe.
Joe is her
Over
middle
there.
name. Her last name is Mama.
Right in front of a boo. I like how we all do the skeleton key boo instead of the easily available one.
You gotta go far for that one, dude. That's why.
Yeah. Now!
Man.
Yeah, I'm glad I went to the left to the left.
Dude.
Sweet.
This is a game, alright.
Well, at least I can't get stolen from at all.
Steal AV Star.
He has
Why
25
would
coins.
you
dude.
Why would you do that?
You got a star.
There's bigger fish to fry.
True and also real.
AV needs to get $20.
Dude, I just need some money, man.
Oh. Well, I couldn't get it. Well, if I went down, I could have, but... The laser's getting kind of low.
And it keeps spawning right behind me every single time.
Gee, I wonder. Guys are giving me a workout.
Hope you're licking licked.
Dude, I've been licked too many times today. Did you see that? I sure did. Oh, you can go back to the middle from there.
No, I'm just gonna.
Dang.
Go ahead and give
I
him
feel like
coins. I know you will.
I feel like I haven't landed on that many lucky.
Okay, nice.
I stole your skeleton keys. Star.
How could you? He
I
doesn't
need
have one
anyway.
anymore. Star doesn't have a key anymore. The world is in imbalance. This is like our 50th time playing this one.
I always forget which one this is until I see it.
Used to be. Oh, this one has multiple pipes.
Waluigi, leave me alone, okay?
That's all.
Look,
Star.
way.
Start the game, Star. I know you how bad you want to shoot me.
Look, I got double teamed. I don't like that.
Yay! Whoa!
I can't move. Oh, there we go.
Oh my god! Wait, that reached me? Oh my god, dude! I thought they just blew up randomly. No, they fucking reach all the way across the fucking map. Yeah, the hitbox is horrible too, bro.
I like clipped the side of the pipe so I was
Yeah,
able to
dude.
go around.
Dude, but you fucking wrapped it around the pipe.
Yeah, I was being a trickster there. I forgot you can strafe too.
Alright, come on, brothers. Get moving. This is probably the worst war I've ever seen. The lobs did not reach that far.
The lobs suck. Playing like a wuss, that's me.
Hey, I mean, we both got coins out there.
I got Star like I barely hit to the right of the pipe. It was
Hey, look, I got 2 coins.
Just enough to match your star.
Yeah, I know, Star.
I'm so hungry, dude.
I
We
know,
need to
Star.
speedrun.
That's what I'm saying, dude. Fucking blueberry boys.
Where is that? Oh, I like that.
Came from people that I was watching play Mario Party.
Blueberry boys. I heard you say it earlier and I was like, that's really good. I played like one just now.
Damn, no fucking change time, dude.
But you know what is there, AV? A skeleton key.
Yeah. It's probably in the last spot, like,
Let's see. Yep. Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I think he has like 3 dice items.
Hey, I feel you.
Yes.
Me too.
Wow.
You like being able to move around with 10 coins, Star?
Oh my god, every time I'm here, I roll a 1 or a 2. Every time, every time. I'm just speeding up the game, apparently.
Look at that blooper cart.
Dude, that's pretty rad.
You guys ever use that cart? Mario
I think
Kart?
I did once and it kind of sucked. The super blooper.
Oh,
Hey,
first one.
hey. The new
Wow.
one. You
And
guys
niggas
stay
gonna-
away from me.
See if my lankiness can fucking. Oh my god, it is super slow.
I just stay away from you, and
What
you ran
the-
to the one I was at.
Our table.
Oh no.
Yo, what did that book say? You guys know what the title of this book is?
Yeah, it's actually the 5th edition of the Lost Lore of the Chain Chomp clan.
Oh.
Interesting. I
What
thought
does
the
that
title
entail?
of it was just Book
Yeah.
of Squirm.
Came up with that like on the fly.
Yeah.
It's the Lost Chain Chomp clan. The Half Moons are no, they're not half, but they're my least favorite to go through. Rosie.
Dude, I've gone
I
through
know
like
you're bigger.
fucking 3 moons.
Rosie's bigger than me.
Make this fucking 5.
Oh my
Oh,
god,
God.
They forced us to come. They forced us to come over. You guys need to give up already. Woo!
I couldn't. I was literally on the opposite corner. I hate when it does that.
Oh my god, I. Dude, I was going down there too, but I fucking changed right at the end.
Oh, dude, I blinked. I blinked.
Yo, let's go. My 7th minigame win.
Hey, and it was a banger.
True. It was from Mario Party 4. Of course I was gonna win.
Which is why during Rocky Road I punched the air 40 times. Hey Waluigi, you want to spend your hard-earned cash on a speed trap?
I want to move, dude. I'm tired of rolling fucking 2s and 1s. Fuck you.
Oh,
Okay, that's fine.
well, that's better. Don't mash like Star did.
Yeah, I need these fucking coins, dude.
Oh, Koopa.
Oh, you fucking bitch, man. God damn it.
Every
this-
bit counts.
That's literally only the fucking, like, 3rd time I've passed the bank anyways, though.
We've barely used the banks at all.
They're not really placed in... Well, that's where you pass them a lot.
They should put
Right.
them like in the intersections in the middle.
Damn,
To
almost
force you
had
to
the
pay
battle.
a price for going to the laser town. I wish I had 3 triple dice. Well, I always roll terrible in this specific part of the map. Finally!
Not this time.
Not this time. There was a 1 in there, but... Rinse and repeat.
Oh, man.
Pick another one. No. There we go. Yeah, Star Laz.
Oh my
There's
god, dude.
nobody's beating him on that total.
This is like detrimental.
I mean, yeah, you don't really need it anymore. You already
Dang.
secured it already.
Alright.
And you
Wait,
made
I
it.
know.
You made it past the previous traps too. And now we must punish you.
Oh, we're not gonna win this.
I goofed last time. There's at least there's more breathing
it's
room when
this one.
people die.
This one's okay.
This one's
First time I
quick
played
though.
this, I did not know that you can move it multiple times.
What?
Huh?
How did I hit him?
What the heck?
Woo!
Dude, like, got him on the way back or something. Up! Fuck. I couldn't get up there in time, dude. Last one. You got this, Birdo. Nice.
Gotcha, guys. How did Star die?
You
Oh.
pushed it, apparently. With your fucking fat ass,
It's like no
dude.
room to breathe. Oh, my dumpy's too big. It was a pixel because, like, you look like you died from thin air. It's gonna be funny in the recording. I was so confused. Little did I know I was the murderer all along.
Alright, I'm moving again, dude. Get me out of here.
Triple shits?
I just want to fucking move around the board for once. I gotta roll at least a 3, I guess. Okay, man.
Oh,
Cool.
triple shits.
That's lower than my fucking doubles, bro. Like, what?
Well. Gee, I wonder who. Dang it. You guys are all broke. Because I keep winning mini games. You guys
Random
keep
probably
taking it.
is in the actual lead.
Yeah, he's probably gonna win.
Oh!
Dude, I just got these coins, please.
Lose 30 points.
Please, man. I just got
Oh.
shit fucking rolls on triples. Come on. Lose 100 stars. What the fuck? Oh, receive 100 stars. Give me
Receive
that.
100 stars.
Oh,
Wow, Bounty's
okay.
resolution.
I think that's gonna be okay.
Well,
Yeah,
I didn't have a giant lead over you guys.
Yeah, it's
anymore,
alright.
so-
That's kind of close, but still.
There you go,
We
Star.
can all afford a star.
150? How much is that? I know 160 is 4, so maybe 37?
Oh, nice. I got 3, so I just
Nice.
landed on blue, pretty much.
Nice math.
Quick maps.
2 plus 2 is 4.
Now you gotta use your
one
shits, bro.
Triple shits.
Got a star? Let's see.
Will he make it past the
Okay.
traps?
Oh, there you
Yeah, you
go.
can probably get it.
8. Oh.
No.
Sorry, you rolled a 10. How did... Wait, what?
The triples are not good, dude.
It's better than my fucking triples, dude.
And now the world is no longer equal either.
You're right.
Just kidding.
You're wrong.
What?
What's that exchange? Oh. Dang it, dude. Now I can't buy another pipe.
I don't want to land on a green. I'll yell too. Unless it's an item.
3 of you can go back.
I'm not even over there yet. Unless you... Wait, did you pay for it? You didn't, right?
I think he didn't.
You got a star.
Yeah, I'm not going back then.
No, nobody's paid for Swing Squad.
Oh.
Interesting.
But you gotta get past all the traps up top now.
I don't.
Dang it. Oh, I can't buy a pipe.
Boo-hoo.
No, you have a pipe. It doesn't even matter.
I should might as well get the Skelly, bro.
I'm gonna get the Skelly and keep it. That was a pretty
True.
good start.
Mr. Skelly.
Can I get monies? There's not much monies on here.
Nope. But you got it anyways.
Oh. Cool.
Here we go.
We take those.
I think I rolled just enough to skip it. Okay.
Got
Nice.
past one trap. This is what I was waiting for to happen, where like it's a scary time getting across. Because we've all just been using pipes and keys, right?
Dude, everyone's getting money from these luckies, man. Why can't I get money from the luckies?
I want
I need
dice.
it
I want to move.
most, dude.
Here we go.
I'm gonna lose this one again, 1v3. Oh god, I'm gonna make a fool of myself again.
Dude, money belts is weird now.
Yep, I'm gonna make a fool of myself again, watch. I just know it, dude.
You have like no room up there.
It's so weird.
You try to turn to the right and you're dead. Skinny legend. I was able to get past the 2 gumdrops. I gotta look for Rosie too, because I don't want to be in her way.
Yeah, what? Okay. The hitboxes on the treats are weird.
Where's the fucking bags at?
Yeah, where's the?
Ah!
They're here.
We all
It was
did.
all the way on the fucking right where I couldn't go to, bro.
Of course.
This is gonna be
Oh,
my
Rosie,
points.
your box.
They only dropped 2 from that.
Dude, what the
That's weird.
fuck is that, man?
Man.
One bag?
I normally see like 5.
There's always 2, I thought.
Brother. Like,
Oh,
what?
well, I mean, we're on the 3, so.
Come on, man.
And then Star and I made a 90-degree turn.
Oh, he needed to make sure he got it.
It was so funny. We both lunged. And then when I respawned, Rosie's box was in the way. Dude, I need $3.
Oh gosh.
You'll be fine.
I should be fine.
Oh, yeah.
Someone has some fucking dice blocks though.
True, but you're in a safe
Ooh.
spot.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna.
Oh,
get
he
the
might
star.
get it though. That's
Yeah.
true.
He's got a chance.
Time for you to roll low again, please. Please, man, I need this. I don't have anything in my life. Look, I'm 4th, dude.
You're gonna get another golden pipe next turn. Don't worry, you're fine.
Fuck.
He's guaranteed. Even if he rolls 2-1.
Yikes. He's guaranteed.
I wish I could roll like that. Holy fuck. What the
I
hell,
That's
know.
the
dude?
best triple we've seen.
I've never rolled like that in my life. That's a lie.
You should just burn down the counter star.
Oh my god. Just woo, woo. Well, it's not hitting anyone, so it's you can just speed up. or
I should
Nintendo
just use my
Switch
pipe
Online.
so I can go to the store. I didn't think about starting using this dice though.
I didn't realize Star was that close.
Me neither. I completely forgot.
Because I thought
We
you
might
guys
not
were
have
all
had
stuck
it if
down there.
Luke landed on the trap.
Yeah. I know you've been saving your pipe because you've been close to the star.
Yep. Go in a nice spot, like bottom left.
Perfect.
That's okay too, I guess. Actually, no, because Brando's about to get it right now. Let's just roll a fucking 3.
Yeah, then you'll be a cheesy Carlos.
Go to left. You might be. What if you land on it, bro, and pay it? Go
Oh my
back,
God.
Please, I don't know what it's. I don't know how many spaces he has. God, I hope that's what.
This
gonna
is a
happen.
big map. This is a big map. He has a genuine shot though. Now's your chance to be a big shot.
You haven't even played Delta.
One away. Fuck.
Ooh.
Damn
Does
it,
he
dude.
land
That
on
would
a
have been
trap?
perfect.
There's a trap up there. No. Ooh.
Oh no, you were 2
Ow.
away.
There's a trap up there.
Come on. Get a 3.
Ah!
Or that works too.
The twos! We've all been cursed by the twos.
Pretty bad.
Well, Waluigi, please use the pipe so
I'm
Rosie
using it,
doesn't
dude.
have 6 stars.
I don't want either of you to get that shit.
Hey.
And Luke's on the other
Is
side
that
of
the
map,
bank
just
space?
walking. Nope.
Oh,
Almost. Boonies.
Oh, already.
can we play Pushy Penguins, please?
Nope.
Can we
Play Mario's
play?
Puzzle Party, please? No.
Oh no. The delay when you turn around
It's a chain
gets me.
jump. Oh, it is. Fuck. I'm not winning this.
Jeez, dude. Jeez. This one's scary.
Star always wins this one, or he gets fucking eaten. Plays it fucking
Is it
risky,
A?
bro.
It's a return.
It's
No,
A,
it's B.
but there's delay after you A. And everyone's
Delay.
timing's different, so you can't screen peek.
No,
Oh
I
my
did
God.
it a second too late,
Luke,
bro.
no!
Luke, yes.
By 0.1.
Dude, the fucking delay, man. At least we got
That's
4.
okay. I have exactly what I need.
4, 5, 6.